How do you go about promoting inclusivity without reducing the problem to essentially a tick boxing kind of an exercise that reduces the complex and multidimensional facets of an economist or a person to simply just one dimension?
When we look at leadership positions within economics, we find underrepresentation of women, and not just in developing countries, everywhere. We need to identify, in fact, the whole path that makes it harder for A, women, and B, women from developing countries to advance to the next stage.
I think we want to learn from the differences in structure and conditions, but we want to have a global discipline that actually where people talk to each other.
There are obvious dysfunctions. We need to point to them. We need to know what they are and fix them quickly. There need to be effort to get economic research and knowledge from various parts of the world to fit together so that we actually learn from each other. But there shouldn't be one economic theory for some places and another for other places.
The structure in the developing countries are different from the structure in high-income countries. Closing the gap between the developing country and developed country to guide the policy actions in the developing country. We need to pay attention to this kind of structural differences.
That's a very powerful message about the importance of structural differences and understanding this two-way relationship between diversity and the important quality of research that enhances our discipline. I really want to thank Ashwini, Justin, and Leonard. It's a conversation that we need to continue to deepen.